G'day folks, Rod from my water filter here today. What we're going to do is just have a quick look at some rainwater. Here we have a typical Australian situation. A shed, gutters on it, rainwater's landing on the roof, coming through these pipes and collected into this tank. So what do you got when you turn up and you've got a rainwater tank full of water like this? This is it. It's immature water, okay? Let's face it. The water, controlled by the sun, has been evaporated up off the ocean or the land. It's hit the clouds, it's rained, it's dropped on the top of the roof of your tank, okay? It's immature water. What we call mature water is rainwater at the end of its cycle. So basically, mature water, the water would be allowed to land onto the ground at an acidic pH at about maybe 5.5 acidic pH. It washes the country. The water soaks in. It'll soak in many kilometres as it's going through the surface, through the land, through the earth, picking up minerals. Water molecules remember everything they ever come in contact with in their existence. As the water soaks down through the land, it's picking up mineral. Once it gets down into the land, it'll get picked up by a stream. It'll come up, it'll come out of a spring. That's what we should be consuming. Beautiful spring water. Clean, healthy and full of mineral, perfect, and with a good pH level. Coming back here, we have trapped the water prematurely. It hasn't gone through the earth. It's not prepared for us to drink yet, but it is okay. The government haven't got their hands on it. It's not full of chlorine. It's not been contaminated. It's not got a whole heap of contamination from urban living, the cities, corporations, etc. So we trap it on the roof, through the pipes, and into this tank. But what have we got in here? We got rainwater, about 5.5 pH. Too acidic for people to drink all the time. There's two issues with rainwater. Number one, it's acidic. It's going to be 5, 6.5 pH at the absolute best. If you store your water in a concrete tank, the lime will leach out of the walls of the concrete tank. It will elevate the pH of the water. You do a pH test, it's probably going to be 7. It'll be getting back to neutral. The lime leaching out of the concrete will make the water neutral. That's what we want to be consuming as human beings, 7 pH, so it looks after us. What we also want, for the water to flow through the home, through the copper pipe, we want the water to be 7 as well. If you're in your home, if you've just bought a property and you're seeing staining on your basin, green, blue staining on the basin, that means acidic water is going through acidic copper pipes and it's eating the soluble copper away, and that's what you're getting on your basin. That's the green colour. But it all comes back to the acidic water. So if your rainwater is held in a concrete tank, you've passed this test, you're good to go. If it's held in an aqua plate, which is steel outside, plastic inside, if it's in fiberglass, poly, big steel liner tanks, none of those have got anything to alter the state of the water or to add a mineral to elevate the pH. The water will remain acidic. So what we've got to do is take the water out of here. We've got to add some mineral into it. If it's for the whole house, we have big housings. We have triple water filters. We're adding mineral into the water before it goes into the home. If you're going to have it just at the kitchen sink, we can just do it with a small water filter as well. But at least you'll be drinking and consuming alkaline water. Continuous use of just drinking acidic rainwater, if you just imagine you're tipping in 5, 6, 5.5 pH water, the water going through your body, it can take 3 weeks for some of the water to go through your body. That water wants to get back to a pH of 7, which is neutral for water. So it's stripping the minerals out of your body, trying to get back to pH 7. So what you're doing is going to the toilet and you're actually flushing your body. So you keep drinking the rainwater, your body keeps flushing it out, you get acidic on the outside. Extended use over many years of doing this. Gout, arthritis, even the big C word. You've got to stay alkaline, folks, okay? It's common knowledge nowadays, all right? Now, second problem with rainwater is the bugs. There's no chlorine in this water, it's fresh water. We love it, bugs love it, everything loves fresh water. So you really need to treat it. Whole house, we most commonly use UV. Under the sink, in the house, we'll use ceramics. Much easier and much more reliable and just a lot easier, cheaper too, okay? what we're going to quickly do here for you now is a pH test on this rainwater. I've got no idea what it's going to be. So what we're going to do with the simple little pH test kit here. Alright, we're just going to run about 15 mils into this pH tester. I love just doing things for you folks. I'm pretty rough, just like this, because it's how you're going to do it at home, alright? And that's what we want. We've got 15 mils on this pH tester, and we'll just come round to here, and we'll do a quick test on it. This is the solution, pH test reagent, alright? Two quick drops. Beautiful, in she goes. Put the top on, we give it a shake, and we see what we got. Now what we'd have to say is probably nearly 6, 5, guessing a bit, 5.8, 5.7, 5.9, but basically it's too acidic. We need it up here on 7 neutral pH, alright? We want 7. This water needs some mineral added to it, okay? If the water's 6.5, bit of calcite, calcium, elevate the pH. If it's a lot lower, we'll have to add other minerals into it for you to achieve the outcome that's desired, okay? But that's basically what it is. The rainwater's got nothing in it, and we put some mineral in it, elevate the pH to 7, and you're good to drink. The house will operate nicely, home appliances are going to last longer, and that's just what you've got to aim for, okay? Good luck to you.